Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious BBQ chicken. First, select bone-in, skin-on chicken pieces for maximum flavor and moisture. Pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving that desirable crispy skin. Next, apply your favorite dry rub generously to all sides of the chicken. Allow the rub to sit for at least 30 minutes or even several hours in the refrigerator to infuse the meat with incredible taste. This simple preparation sets the stage for a truly mouth-watering meal. Now, let's talk grilling. Preheat your grill to a medium-low temperature, aiming for around 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the chicken over indirect heat first. This technique ensures the chicken cooks through evenly without burning the outside. Flip the chicken every 10 to 15 minutes, moving it around the grill as needed to prevent any hot spots from causing charring. Continue this process until the chicken is nearly cooked through, which usually takes about 40 to 50 minutes, depending on the size of your pieces. The moment you've been waiting for, adding that glorious BBQ sauce. Begin applying your favorite sauce during the last 15 to 20 minutes of cooking. Baste the chicken frequently, every 5 to 7 minutes, to build up a beautiful, caramelized crust. Keep a close eye on it to prevent the sauce from burning. Most importantly, use a meat thermometer to ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the thickest part of the chicken. This guarantees it's perfectly safe and juicy. Finally, the last crucial step for tender, juicy BBQ chicken is resting. Once the chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the grill and let it rest for at least 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly moist and flavorful. Before serving, you can garnish your perfectly cooked BBQ chicken with some fresh herbs, like chopped parsley or cilantro. For a vibrant presentation, enjoy your homemade, delicious BBQ chicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.